Hi and welcome to my channel. We continue our course from where we left. Let me open the project. In this video, we'll start adding some structural columns to our project. Now let's create a structural plan. From the View tab, click Plan Views, then Structural Plan. Choose level 1 for now, then click OK. Go to the East View. I have noticed that the level we created in the previous video is named level 7. Click inside it and rename it to Roof. Back to level 1. Notice the small plus sign and click it to show the structural plans. Now, in the discipline area, change it to structural. Now from the Structure tab, click Column. Click Load Family to search for a concrete column. By default, it will open the Imperial folder. Now go up, then change it to English, US, Structure Columns, Concrete, and choose Rectangular 1. Let's see its sizes. Okay, let's make our size. Click Edit Type. Duplicate and rename it to 200 by 400 millimeters. Notice the new name before you proceed. Change the dimensions to 40 and 20 respectively, then click OK. Now change the column distance option to height, then fix it to level 2. Choose the option Add Grid, then cross-select our grid. Now you've created a column at every grid intersection. The orientation does not seem right though. Click Finish, we'll fix that. Now select the column at grid A1, then press space to adjust its orientation. Use the Move tool to move the column to the wall's intersection edge. Now it's in its proper place. Now use the Dimension tool to check the distance between the A and G grids. Those grids are at the far ends of the building, and every column needs to lie within their edges. Click and select the column of the G1 grid and fix its place and orientation. Now in the same way we did to these two columns, let me adjust the others and delete the extra ones. Remember, we need the columns at the edges of the building. where there is a room with a big area, and every distance that's beyond 7 meters. Okay, this is the edge of our building. The extra wall is a fence. Now let me check the distance between the grid lines of the fence and the building edge. It's 830, beyond 7 meters. Let's delete 2 columns and keep 1. Now let me fix the column at the edge. Let me fix the fence one too. Okay, use the dimension tool and measure the distance from the building edge to the center of the column in the middle, then the column at the edge of the fence. When you see the EQ sign, click it to divide the distance equally. Let me fix the middle one now. Now let's move this column to the end edge of the wall. Let's copy it and put it on the other edge of the wall. This area will hold the entrance big door and thus needs 2 columns. Now let me deal with the other columns. Wait a minute, where did this wall come from? Okay, use the split tool and split the wall into two parts. Then move them to the sides to clear this area. There is no wall in this area. Let's move to level 2. Okay, from the View tab, let's create a structural plan for level 2. Change its discipline to structural. Let's head back to the architectural view of level 2. Change its discipline to structural. Now pay attention and start selecting the column that will cross the second level. Hold the Control key while doing so to be able to select multiple columns. We will need another column in this area. Now change the top level of the selected columns to roof to extend them to that level. Now copy the selected column to the empty edge. Let's see it in the 3D. Okay, we extend this column by mistake. Let's adjust its height in level 2. Now it's okay. Let's rotate the view to see more. Okay, these two also need to be adjusted. Select them and change their top level to level 2. Now they are okay. Let's move this column to the edge. If you notice, designing a building will always deal with going back and forth between different views to witness any conflicts that could be shown in a specific view. Let's move this column to the edge too. Let's see the 3D view. Hold Shift while pressing the middle mouse and move the cursor to rotate the view. Notice every time we change to the 3D view, we yet find another column off the edge a little bit. Let's copy the column to the facing edge. We need a column there too. Now it's fine. As you see, we don't have a roof for level 2 so far. Let's create it. From the View tab, click Plan Views and choose Roof. Change the base level to level 2 so we can see the walls. From the Architecture tab, click Structural Floor. Make sure the floor is Concrete 150 that we created in the first video. Now from the Draw tools, choose the Pick Edges option. Start picking the external faces of the walls. While hovering over the edge, if you notice the grid is highlighted, click the tab several times till you see the wall edge is highlighted. Then click to select. Now use the Trim tool to get rid of the extra lines. Remember, when clicking, always choose the side you want to keep. That's how the Trim tool works in Revit. attach when prompt. Let's see it in 3D. Okay, now level 2 is covered properly. Okay guys, that's it for this video. The distribution of the columns will be at the end of the video. Don't forget to like if you are enjoying the course, subscribe if you want future content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Be in peace.